Hey YouTube, this is CCWIZ67. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make this Omnitrix. Let's get to the build. So the first step you're going to want to do is get your templates. I had to make mine by hand and trace out the basic shape of it onto your foam and just cut that out of the foam. So when you do that, make sure your blade's nice and sharp. Replace your blade or sharpen it. And then now we're just going to be doing a little bit something more in depth, a little bit harder, but you're going to have to try to get those general looks and shapes from your template onto your foam so you can do the next step. Next step is that you're going to use your knife, and you don't want to cut into your foam all the way. I have 5mm, so I'm cutting in like 1 or 2mm into it, but you just want to cut in all those details that you want and to really make your thing pop. Make sure you're careful and all your lines connect if there's an edge or something like that, so it doesn't look off if there's like a little bit of connected part on, say, a corner piece. So now you want to get a heat gun and just use that to open up all those lines you made with your knife. It really makes it pop, and it looks pretty good too. Like, you can see all that detail and texture into it now, so it's not just a flat surface when you paint it. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to paint it white. So when it's painted white, you're going to need to go in with your base of green and just go into all of those pieces that are green. Just make sure you are looking at some source material. Make sure you line up your lines, make sure it looks nice and stuff. So the green's probably going to take a few layers to get a nice coat, and then you'll want to go in different spots for it. As you can see, now I've put out my black acrylic paint, and I'm just painting that onto this little kind of square inside the middle. So you just want to do that. That's probably also going to take a few layers, but It looked pretty nice. I'm using my X-Acto knife. I put a dull blade on it, so now I just want to like clean up the edges with that. So you can see I'm just cleaning off some of my overpaints with a wet brush. It actually works pretty well because it's I think it's like a water-based paint or something like that. Clear coat your Omnitrix and add some Velcro to the back and you'll be done. So this is the Omnitrix all done, all clean with the Velcro on. It didn't come out on the end how I wanted to. I'll just put it on there, I guess. But with the Velcro part. It looks amazing. It got that nice shiny kind of texture, which is nice. It kind of looks new. A little bit dirty. You understand that, I guess. But yeah, I'm actually really happy how this build came in. My first like kind of fake watch. But yeah, that came out really nice to see some of that detail. Yeah. So if you guys like that video, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week when I show you guys how to make something else. Not gonna say it yet. You'll probably know if you like. Go follow me on my Instagram handle. Right there. So. So if you guys like that video, make sure you go check out some other videos. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment that you did all that stuff or not. If you just want to tell me to make something. So yeah, the next build will be coming out next week. You'll see it if you follow my Instagram. Yeah, you know, go do that right there. So yeah. If you guys like that video, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. New videos coming up next week where I show you how to make something else. I'm not gonna say it here. If you want to know, you probably know about it or already know about it. You go follow my Instagram handle right there. So see you guys next time.